Assembly. Here I am in the Willow area outside on the school field. I hope you're all well and you've been taking your learning outside because the weather has been great this week. We've had nearly 100 children in school this week and every single one of them has adapted to our changes, performing brilliantly in their hubs. Well done to you all. Year 6 have joined us this week and they're working towards transitioning towards their secondary school. They may have already heard from their secondary school in preparation for September. But in terms of transition for all of you, we are looking to prepare clips so that you can meet your teacher online and see your new classroom before the end of term. I'd like to congratulate all of those who have been nominated in this week's assembly.
Good morning Hawthorne class, welcome to this week's assembly. This week I would like to nominate Angel. Angel has been doing lots and lots of work at home. She's earned so many different certificates online for doing skills in both maths and English and lots of different year 3 skills overall. So that's really super to see, and that your mum actually emailed me all 11 certificates. So well done, Angel. I know you've been reading too and on our weekly Zoom sessions, so it's been lovely to have a catch up with you. So a big well done. I've also got some athletics this week. I've got some bronze certificates for Billy, Jake, Layla, E, Harry and Chase, and Tiana and Spencer. And I've also got 2 silvers, so a big congratulations to both Harry and Isla. Let's try and get a gold, guys. Well done everyone, take care and hopefully see you all soon.
Hi everyone, so this week for Celebration Assembly I would like to nominate Phoebe from Larch class. Phoebe has continued to do some fantastic work at home. She's been working her way through some maths and English books as well as completing her seaside project. So well done Phoebe.
And I'd like to nominate Percy this week because he put in a lot of effort into his island project. He did lots of writing that he typed up on the computers, and he'd done it independently and created a nice island as well, so well done to Percy.
Take care everyone, bye.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing very well and keeping safe. My nominations for our special assembly this week go to Lily AB. Well done Lily, you've been working really hard. I'm so impressed with your athletics and getting all the certificates, so very well done. And Boy Pillow, you've been working really hard as well with your times tables, doing maths and English, and also helping mum around the house as well. So very well done. For athletics, we've got Lily AB as well for bronze, and Bradley. For TT Rockstars, for year 3, we've got Angel and Rudo. So very well done. And for year 4, we have Zach, Enoch, Boy Pillow, and Sam. Well done to all of you. Keep up the good work. Make sure you send us some of your work and look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye for now.
Hello, I hope that you are all well and working hard as always. My nomination for Cedar class for the Celebration Assembly this week goes to Kaylin Yu. The reason why I've chosen Kaylin is because he has been working incredibly hard on his island project, and he gave a really good commentary explaining the different animals and how he came across the island. So I was really impressed with that. So well done to Kaylin. And for mathletics, I've got a number of certificates actually to award. So for bronze, I have got Jack, Charlotte, Blake F, Brooke, Lily P and Logan. And for a silver certificate this week, I have got Brooke. So well done to all of you and continue working hard and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Juniper class, hope you're all staying safe and well at home and keeping up with your work. I'd like to nominate this week Lauren. because I had a lovely conversation with her on the phone, and she's been doing lots at home to keep her studies up. So well done. Keep the work coming in via email. It's lovely to see it, and keep doing your mathletics. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Wagwan is the class. Welcome back to another celebration assemblyman. So for this week's celebration assembly, the person that I would like to nominate for more class is someone who has been truly amazing and really courageous. This young lady has been there for others, both in school and at home. She is a rock and somebody you can lean on and depend on. And that is why this week I would like to nominate Maddie. Maddie, you have been truly amazing. And over the past weeks, you have shown what it is to be a Griffin great. You have shown us all those amazing qualities, and we're so proud of you. Just to let you know, there are tons of hugs waiting for you when you get back to school. So just continue doing what you're doing, because you've got this, Maddie. You're great, you're strong, and you're brave. For the rest of you in ASA class, please continue to send your work in, as we really like seeing what you're doing. Feel free to call us or email us if there's any problem with the workload. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are loads of tips on there. And I hope you're keeping safe and you're taking care of yourselves. And can't wait to see you soon. Bye, everybody.
Hi guys, I hope you're having a really fantastic week. I know that I've had a brilliant week at school this week. We've done some really great work and we've worked really hard. My nomination for start of the week is someone again from my family hub, and that is Melly. I've been really impressed in particular with her writing this week. She did a fantastic letter to one of the characters in the story Wonder that we're reading, and I was really impressed and couldn't wait to read it to all of the other people in the class. So well done, Melly. Keep up the good work, everybody, and I'll see you soon.
Hi everybody. The person that I'd like to nominate this week from our Year 6 family bubble is Evie Zygo. There are quite a few reasons for this. Firstly, she's shown such good working ethic since coming back to school. Everything she's done with an absolute quiet calm. Brilliant. Secondly, I'd like to choose her because she willingly took part in the Griffin Big Sing virtual choir and sang brilliantly. Well done, Evie.
Hello everyone, this week my nomination from my bubble in school goes to somebody who always tries her best, always works really hard, is willing to participate in class, and generally is just a really, really helpful person. This week my nomination goes to Jasmine. Well done, Jasmine.
Poem of the week. Let no one steal your dreams. Let no one steal your dreams. Follow your heart, follow your soul. For only when you follow them will you feel truly all. Set your sights and keep them fixed. Set your sights on high. Let no one steal your dreams. Your only limit is the sky.